Welcome students. In science class, today's topic is the process of digestion. Before that, I will show you the diagram of digestive system. For the first time you are seeing, and whenever you are getting the time, try to draw this figure in your rough notebook. Salivary gland, mouth, food pipe, liver, stomach, pancreas, large intestine, small intestine, anus. Yes, students, when you are hungry, what do? You eat food. Yes. The food that we eat is not directly used to provide the energy. It is broken down into simpler form. So first of all, what is digestion? The process of breaking down of food into a simpler form is called digestion. Whatever food you eat, first of all, it will break down into simpler form. This process is called digestion. Your digestive system is uniquely designed to turn the food you eat into nutrients which your body uses for energy, growth and cell repair. Here how it works. First of all, digestion starts from your mouth. As soon as you take the first bite of a meal, your teeth chew the food and break it into small pieces. As we chew the food, the saliva which is present in our mouth mixes with the food. Now the question will arise, what is saliva? Saliva is the digestive liquid secreted by the salivary glands. It makes your food soft. Now, one more thing, the saliva also changes insoluble starch which is present in your food into soluble sugar. That is why your starchy foods like bread, rice taste sweet after we chew them well. From the mouth, the food passes into stomach. From this mouth, I will show you the figure again. From this mouth, the food passes into the stomach through this food pipe. Your stomach is a hollow muscular bag. It looks like a bag, muscular bag. This red color, it is your stomach. That it looks like a hollow muscular bag. Here the digestive juices break down the proteins present in the food into simpler form. From the stomach, food is pushed into small intestine. Again I will show you. From the stomach, the food will go into this red color, this coil shape, small intestine. If you will spread out this small intestine, just now it looks very small, but if you will spread out, it is nearly 20 feet long. So from the stomach, it will go to small intestine, and it is a coil shaped in your body. The liver and the pancreas, they help in the digestion. Directly they are not taking part in the process of digestion. They pour their juices into small intestine. The blood vessels which are present inside the wall of the small intestine. This small intestine, inside the wall of this small intestine, small blood vessels are present. So whatever food is churned here, it is become semi-solid type. It is digested. It is absorbed by the blood vessels of the small intestine, and then it is carried to all the parts of the body. From that small intestine, the undigested food passes into large intestine. This blue color, coil shape, what you are seeing, that is your large intestine. From this small intestine, the food passes into this large intestine. Inside that large intestine also, it is also coil shaped only. Inside the large intestine, again blood vessels are present. The blood vessels absorb the extra water. Whatever extra water is present in your food, it is absorbed by the walls of that large intestine. Now the semi-solid waste, whatever is remaining in the large intestine, it will pass out through the anus. And what is the anus? This last part. It will pass out through the anus when we go to the toilet. So, your digestion process starts from the mouth and completes at the anus. Like this way, this whole salivary gland, mouth, food pipe, liver, stomach, pancreas, large intestine, small intestine, anus is known as the digestive tract. The food passes all through this tract and then your digestion process gets complete. Some tips are there for proper digestion. If you will not digest it properly, your food, then you might have some problem of stomach ache, diarrhea, vomiting. So for that purpose, keep these tips in your mind. Have your food at fixed hours. Keep your timings fixed. Chew your food well before swallowing. So when you keep your bite in your mouth, at that place only, chew your food very well. Third, eat loads of green vegetables and fruits. Do not overeat. Whenever you feel hungry, at the time you eat little but never overeat. And drink plenty of water whole day. So because of this, whatever food is there, it will be digested properly. Yes, students, once more, again I want to remind you that try to draw this internal part only in your rough notebook, so it will become easier to understand this digestive system, that what are the track of this digestive system. Thank you, students.